thanks on this memorable occasion of third annual function of Softline Institute. Let me first of all start by giving glory to the Almighty God for making today's day a resounding success. First and foremost, I would like to thank our chief guest, Mr. Jogendra Saini ji, Mr. S.M. Rastogi ji, Mr. Abhishek Dutt ji, Mr. Kavinder Singh ji, Mr. Shakuntala Devi ji, Mr. Vikram Gujjar ji, Mr. Abhishek Dutt ji, for taking time out of their busy schedules to grace this occasion. Then, I would like to thank all the guests of honor to provide us with the essence of your graceful presence. We are grateful to Mr. Deepak Sharma sir for being a great part of this event. His able guidance has always encouraged us. I would now like to thank Mr. K.K. Saini sir for organizing this event. I thank him for his kindness, hospitality and continued support. My heartfelt thanks to all the participants for their contribution and wonderful performances. I owe special gratitude to all the volunteers who have worked so hard to ensure that this event becomes a memorable success. Thank you, Mr. Udebir Singh sir, for providing with venue every year. Also, thank you to all the parents for your love and support. I thank all the distinguished invitees for accepting our invitation and the members of media for inviting interest in covering our event. Once again, thanks to all of you. Happy New Year and have a great year ahead.
जरूर बताइएगा कि ये वीडियो आपको कैसा लगा और किस टॉपिक पर आप वीडियो बनाना चाहते हैं। साथ ही हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना बिल्कुल ना भूलें। जल्द होगी मुलाकात, तब तक के लिए अपना ध्यान रखिए। धन्यवाद।